Friends, do you want to drive a Lamborghini at a young age? Burj Dubai. Want to sit on the top of the Khalifa and drink coffee and go on a honeymoon every month with your girlfriend or wife? If yes, then congratulations, we are all passengers in the same boat. Everyone's dream is to reach the sky, but if you put your hand in your pocket, all that can be seen there is the wailing of the Sahara Desert. Think 3 times before eating a $10 United States spicy Murray. Yes, but I dream of buying land on Mars like Elon Musk. In today's video, I will give you the formula for the magic Aladdin's lamp that you can get rich at a really young age by using it, but wait, if you... Do you think I'm talking about a lottery? Stop the video now and go watch a cartoon. Because today's video is for those who understand logic and who are ready to play the real game of getting rich. There's a twist at the end of the video that will change your perspective on money forever. It's about to start. Percentage. People are stuck in this middle-class trap or middle-class rat race. We think money means getting paid at the end of the month, but the real rich people mean. Don't those who have become rich smartly think like this? Come on, let's have a look. Let's tell a story. The hero of our story is Mofis. Mofis watches the release all day and thinks, hey, that blogger guy is going to Ladakh on a bike and I'm here getting bitten by mosquitoes. Mofis is very keen to become a millionaire in 25 years, so he starts short. Cat started searching for Google and found how to make money fast without doing anything. Results. Did you know? If you invest it in the right place, then after 20 years it will be. How many times can the answer make your head spin? But what do we do when we get 100 rupees in our pocket and think, hey, I'll give you a packet with this? Biryani and a cold drink will be enough. We planted the seeds of future millionaires in our stomachs. Now I have a question for you. When was the last time you bought something that was within your pocket? Do you put money in or only buy things that take money out of your pocket? iPhone. Is buying 15 Pro Max on ME smart or foolish to get rich? The first step is to understand the difference between asset and liability. In simple terms, what brings money into your pocket is asset and what takes money out of your pocket is. If you take it, then the liability. Mofis bought a bike with his savings. Right to show. If I had paid rent on a sharing app, that would have been it. Eat our problems. But when we spend 10 taka on our own skill development, we get a fever. Magic formula number 2, high income skill. Okay brother, do you know? Digital marketing, graphic design, these are the current. You can enter but to maintain the work and skin is needed to make the boss happy. Let me give you a funny example. Suppose you find a goose that lays golden eggs. Now what will you do? Kill the duck and take out all the eggs at once. Should I do option B and feed the duck a good meal and get 1 egg every day? Most people choose the option that they spend money when they get it. But the rich choose option B, they put their money in places where invest so that money gives birth to more money for them like a child. Money works for them, then they work for money. Or is it called money flowing into their account even while they sleep? The question may come, brother, I don't have any money to invest. How many hours a day do you spend scrolling or browsing Facebook? If you spend the time you spend checking profiles learning something new, that's what will happen. Warrant father said. You. If you give up on your dreams, you'll be left alone, let alone rich. You lost. Remember that you are alone on the road to success when you succeed. When it happens, this auntie will say, I knew our mofis would grow up one day. Another important tip to get rich at a young age is to avoid company if you are 5. If you hang out with lazy, negative, and poor-minded people, then you will be the 6th person. And if you mix with 5 hard-working, visionary, and wealthy-minded people, then 6. You will be the number 1 richest person, so filter your friend list today to those who are in your life. Stay 100 feet away from those who have no goals and just sit in tea shops and save the world. Now let's talk a little seriously. Being rich only means having a bank balance. Being rich, not made, means freedom when you have the money to do what you want. When you don't have to work against the odds and can devote time to your family whenever you want, that's what true wealth is. But to reach this stage, you need to be 20 to 30 years old. You have to work like a donkey and run like a horse to enjoy this time. Mofis now realizes he has stopped buying lottery tickets, and he has started making small investments with his spare money. Before you go to bed tonight, take a notebook and write down the next 5. Where do you want to see yourself in the year ahead, and what are you doing today to get there? What steps are you taking? Believe me, people who write have a different power. It will keep you focused. At the beginning of the video, I talked about a twista. There is no shortcut to getting rich, but fast. There is a track, and that fast track is taking risks. When we are young, we have nothing to lose, no wife, no children, no elders. Responsibility. This is the best time to experiment, start a business, fail. And remember to get up again. Not taking risks is the biggest mistake in life. Finally, let me tell you one thing. Money may not buy happiness, but if you have money, you can cry in your own Lamborghini of sorrow, which is better than crying in a rickshaw. It's much more comfortable than before, so start today and stop making excuses. My father has no money, I am in trouble, something will happen in this country. No, it's not your fault that you're poor, but if you are poor, if you die, it's 100% your fault. Be in control of your life. It's up to you to decide what you want. Whether you throw it in a hole or drive it at full speed on the highway is your decision. Mofis has made his decision, so have you? If this video has touched any neurons in your brain, then hit the like button. Punch and tell us in the comments whether you want to stand on your own 2 feet or eat at your father's hotel. Friends, I hope that this video will help you too. Not only did they have fun, but they also learned some very important lessons for life. Saving money, building skills, and investing are the 3 mantras. Keep chanting. See you in the next video with a more compelling topic. And good thing, what topic would you like to watch a video on next? A stock market or investment? The next video will tell you the details or the psychology of the 2 rich people, but you will get what you want. See you on the victory stage. Allah Hafez.